Hello there, welcome to this unboxing video. That is video or video. Long time since I've done one of these, but I thought it's time to get a new phone, and let's go with something a bit different this time. So this time we've gone with the Nokia Lumia 520, that has only recently come out. So let's just get straight in there. And there, get the box open. And there's the phone itself. Very nice. Right, I won't give you all the specifications because everyone gives you the specifications. I'm just here for an unboxing, aren't we? So I move the phone aside, get packaging, one package over there. Nice instruction manual. I'm a man, don't need instruction manuals. Important. Battery. Headphones, pretty basic, standard. Makes it always British. And of course the USB cable. Now look at the size of this. Now, you get really long cables or you get really short cables, and they haven't kind of got no expenses spared really, have they? It's tiny, absolutely micro. Might be a micro USB cable. Hey. Oh, let's get that phone out and have a look at it. Here it is. Oh, nice back in there. So what we got on the front, we've got the Windows key on the front there. Search and the back key. No front-facing camera on this one. Shame, really shame. And Nokia logo there. There on the top. 3.5mm headphone jack. Oh, light's been a bit dodgy on here. There we go. Camera, 5 megapixels. Nokia logo there, and also a very loud speaker. I'll tell you that. I've heard this phone before, and it's volume rocker, power button, and the camera shutter button thing, and nothing on the left hand side. Well, how epic is that? So let's get the SIM there, let's get the battery in there. Well, we need to open it first. Oh, first time, lucky. So you can change them, different colours. On here you've got, you can see the micro SD card there, SIM card, and the battery. I'm just going to slide the SIM card in there. It says. Oh, this could take some time. Got no idea if that's right or not. Find out if the phone doesn't work. Oh, I've lost the battery. Oh, there it is. Nice battery, nice and ready. 3.7 volts, I'm not quite gonna kill you, but 1,450 milliamp hours. If you do science, you probably understand that. Stuff about that. It slides in like so, he says. Salty. Oh, on the back, goes on the back, not on the front. Press it on like that, and we're done. So, press it and go. Oh, vibration. Oh. Yes, it's Vodafone. They're all right, I suppose. He'll be here sometime. Oh, Nokia. Well, that's good because it's a Nokia phone. How epic is that? Could be here sometime. Well, that took its time, didn't it? The SIM card is missing all your values. You can check. Oh, that's not good. We haven't put it in. Right, hang on. Let's just turn the phone off a minute. We also put it in there, right? We need to put the SIM in there for it to work properly, don't we? Would help. Right, so let's take this back off again. Bye, goodbye, bye phone. Oh, you put it in the opposite way round. Oh, how thick is that? How thick is that? Oh, let's do it again then. Take two. Right. Back when it's loaded. Right, so we're back. It didn't take as long, maybe. Right, done. So right, let's get started. Language. Oh yes, we're English. That's helpful. Yeah. Oh, I didn't even touch that now. Just kind of went for it. Yeah. Let's go for recommending. Well, the date is not quite that. Let's sort this out. Right, it's the first. Not September. It is, in fact, July. It's not Sunday. It's Tuesday. 2013. Is this what day is it today? The second. Oh, yeah. There we go. Time's not 5:47. It is in fact 10:42. I think. Hang on, let me just go and check with my laptop. Yes, I'm right, it is 10:42. Nice scrolly things, right? It's 10:42. Nice in the bed, blah 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 blah. Yeah, fine. Keep your life in sync. Oh, go on then. Sign in. Oh, back in a minute. Oh, look at that keyboard. Look at that. Quite nice. Oh, very responsive. So we're just signing now on the red thing to go. Oh, it can't connect. Oh, that's not good. We'll get this. Try and get this sorted and be back in a minute. Right, we've got an issue with the connection, so we'll just skip that for now. We'll come back in a minute. Right, so it's just finished days, yeah. No signal apparently. Lovely. We'll try and get this sorted back when it's finished. Note the time, 10:44. Right, so it's just finished setting up. Took a bit longer. It seems as we set everything, so we have to rechange that, but need to set up a warranty, whatever it is. Accept that. And there we go. And it does look good so far. It works. Oh, I'll just click something. Access point. That. Come through. A message from them. Kind of them. Slide to the left, go into the settings. It works. And that's Wi-Fi turned on. Try and get some Wi-Fi in the house here. Right, then just put the password in, back in a minute. We're just connected. There's a nice Wi-Fi thing in the corner there. Oh, I've just got a phone call. Back in a minute. Alright, so just had a quick setup of bits and bobs. Still no phone service, so I'll have to get that sorted out. But it's on Wi-Fi and stuff. So we're kind of up there. People now where it's not going to there. Still synchronised at the moment, but I can kind of gather everything that I need to see. Got the photos there. See any photos? Probably not. We're looking there. Nothing in there. TripAdvisor, music, here, transit, Xbox stuff. Maybe. I keep going up there for a backup reason. I need to connect my Twitter on there. Got ESPN, not bothered about that. TripAdvisor, Langley Birds there. Let's go into the store and have a look in there. Bits and bobs. Music. Apps. NatWest. Top 3 because that's what we all want. Let's get Facebook, shall we? Store that on there, allow. We'll see how long this takes to download. There's probably the most account. Oh dear, not going well. Crying out loud. Okay, let's fill this out. Back in here. It's quite a nice feature. Be back in a minute. Sort that out in a minute. But that's Windows Phone. I'll probably have a video coming up soon. There's a few issues at the moment, but we'll get there. So thanks for watching, and see you next video. Goodbye.